Friends, today we will discuss our topic, that is the introduction to logic families. First of all, I will tell you what are the logic families which we will study in our this whole topic. Logic families are RTL, that is resistor transistor logic, ECL, that is emitter coupled logic, DCTL, diode coupled transistor logic, CMOS, that is combination of NMOS and PMOS, and TTL, that is a transistor logic. Before going to these logic families, first of all I will just go for a basic fundamentals of the logic families. Here I have made three gate. These are our basic gate, that is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, by using diode and transistor. These gates really play a very important role, just like the same as diode and transistor, because in all logic families we will use diode, transistor and gates. That's why I am starting with the beginning. I am here taking our first gate, that is the AND gate, by using diode. How we can make this AND gate using diode? Here I have made a picture. This is diode DA, DB. I have taken two inputs as A and B. Now, with the set of two inputs, how many combinations are possible? Four combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here, if this diode, if you want to on this diode, then what will happen? You have to apply this end is negative end, this end is positive end. If diode have to function, means it have to on, then this N terminal must be lower in comparison to the positive terminal. Then the diode will work in the forward bias condition. If the value of A is 0, the value of A 0 हो जाएगी, तो यहाँ पर जो DA है, DA क्या हो जाएगा? ऑन हो जाएगा. If the value of DA ऑन हो जाएगा, A की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी, तो ये शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि फॉरवर्ड वाइज है तो शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा. जब ये शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा तो यहाँ से आप जो आपकी जो भी करंट फ्लो के आ रही है ये यहाँ से पास हो जाएगी, तो आपका आउटपुट पे कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. सेम विद द केस विद द B also. If the value of B is 0, if B 0, then this diode will be on condition. Why this will be in on condition? Because earlier I told you that the positive terminal must be greater than the negative terminal. If the positive is greater than the negative, then the diode is in forward bias. Diode in the forward bias means diode is in on. By this way, by doing on and off, on and off, you can make diode work as a switch. That's why I have taken different set of combinations over there. In the first condition, a value of A is 0, value of B is 0, diode D1 is on, D2 is on. If both diodes are on, then what will happen with the output? This Y is the output. If both are on, for example, the current is moving like this way, and it will enter like here, and you will get 0 output at the Y. There might be some question arising in your mind that what will happen, why this is happening over there. Now I am just giving you the example of short circuit condition. जैसे अपने घर में क्या होता है कि एमसीबी लगी रहती है, कहीं पे भी शॉर्ट सर्किट अगर हो जाता है तो होता क्या है कि सारे अप्लायंसेस जो भी हमारे लगे हुए हैं वो सारे के सारे अप्लायंसेस में करंट नहीं फ्लो हो पाती है, और करंट शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाती है तो एक ही जगह पे आपको पता है. अगर हम टेक्निकली बात करते हैं तो शॉर्ट सर्किट में होता क्या है कि आपका इन शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट ऑलवेज फॉलोज लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस पाथ. अगर कहीं पे लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस है तो करंट उसी पाथ को फॉलो करेगा. किसी पाथ पे अगर बहुत ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है उस पाथ पे करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा. या आप ऐसे समझ लें लेमैन लैंग्वेज में कि आप अगर कहीं पे जा रहे हैं, वहां पे बहुत बड़े बड़े गड्ढे लगे हुए हैं, गड्ढे हैं रोड पे, तो आप उस पाथ पे मूव करना आपके लिए आसान नहीं होगा. और एक कोई बहुत ही स्मूथ सरफेस है, उस स्मूथ सरफेस पे आपको वॉक करना है, तो वो सरफेस से वॉक करने के लिए आपको बहुत आसानी से आप वॉक कर जाओगे. तो ये फंडा है कि हमें जो करंट है ऑलवेज लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस पाथ को फॉलो करता है. By this way also, if this diode is on, it is short circuit होगा तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. Same with the, अब either of the input is 0, then the output will be 0. Why? बिकॉज इट इज शॉर्ट सर्किट है, तो उधर की तरफ करंट पूरी फ्लो हो जाएगी, तो आउटपुट आपकी जीरो आ जाएगी। तो यहाँ पे मैंने इसको एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है। For 0 0 it is on, output is 0. 0 1 it is on, second one is off. Why this is off? If the value of V is 1. Now value of V is 1 means negative terminal is greater than the positive terminal. It will make your diode in reverse wise. In reverse wise it will be off. It will be off, it will work as an open circuit. That's why the diode DB will be off. But you are watching over there, why the value of Y is 0? Y is 0 just because of this, the value of diode DA is on. It will pass like this. In third condition, the value of A is 1, the value of V is 0 means diode D1 off, D2 on, DV on हो जाएगा, आउटपुट आपका 0 आ जाएगा। सेम आपका जब A और B की वैल्यू 1 1 हो जाएगी, दोनों ऑफ हो जाएगा। जब ये दोनों ऑफ हो जाएगा, इधर करंट एंटर नहीं करेगी, तो क्या होगा, सारी की सारी करंट इधर चली जाएगी। This is the case of positive AND logic. Hope you have understood this logic, why this is on and off. Now here we come for this positive OR logic. In the case of positive OR logic, this the set of combination of diode is connected like this way, the A input, the B input. Now the value of A is 0, V is 0, the output is 0. Value of A is 0, the value of V is 1, then the output is 1. The value of A is 1, V is 0, output is 1. And if the both are 1 1, then the output is 1 1. In the case of 0 0, if it is 0, it will short like this way. That's why the value of Y is 0. So this is the positive OR logic. Now for NOT gate using transistor, I have made a transistor over there. This is the NPN transistor because the arrow is in the downward direction. If here I have taken the input as 0, this is NOT gate using transistor. It is working as an inverter. In the case of if the value of A is 0, then the transistor is off condition. For transistor to work as a switch, we know that transistor to work as a switch, transistor have to work in two situations. Either it should work in a saturation or it should work in the cutoff conditions. So if the value of this base, this is the base region of the transistor. At the base, if you are applying 0, means then it will make your transistor in off condition. कट ऑफ हो जाएगा तो आउटपुट यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा। अब अगर ये ट्रांजिस्टर ऑन कर देगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, आउटपुट आपका 0 आ जाएगा। वो द सेम लॉजिक दैट आई हैव अप्लाइड इन द AND gate, the same logic will apply in the NOT gate also. Means if the value of A is 0, the transistor will off, output will be 1. If the value of A is 1, transistor will be on, your output will be 0. Means if the value of A is 0, your output is 1. If the value of A is 1, your output is 0. Means this whole combination is working as an inverter. So these are the three basic things, three basic gates, because positive logic I have made over here, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, these are our three basic gates. This you have to make with the help of diodes and transistor. Now here I have written some important characteristics of logic families. First characteristic is the TPD. TPD stands for propagation delay. Propagation delay is basically the summation of transistor high to low and low to high condition. And after that I just take the summation and we basically take the average of transistors high to low and low to high condition. That is known as the TPD, means propagation delay. In the case of second one is the power dissipation. Power dissipation, as you know, in the electrical you have also earlier studied, power dissipation means V into I. Here VCC is the supply voltage that you are applying, IC is the collector current of the transistor. So the total power dissipation is V into I. Now here the next term, figure of merit. What is the figure of merit? Total power dissipation multiplied by the propagation delay will be the figure of merit. Next, fan out. Fan out is maximum number of input that can be driven by the logic gate. That is the fan out. Fan in, maximum number of input that can be given. इसको भी मैं एक लेमैन लैंग्वेज में आपको एग्जांपल के तौर पे समझाता हूँ। जैसे आपने कोई एक्सटेंशन वायर लेके आते हो मार्केट से, वो एक एक्सटेंशन वायर आपको उसमें एक्सटेंशन वायर में सप्लाई प्रोवाइड करते हो एक जगह से, और उसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे इनपुट्स आप लगा सकते हो, टीवी भी चला सकते हो, उससे फ्रिज चला सकते हो, उससे कूलर भी चला सकते हो, बहुत सारे अप्लायंसेस चला सकते हो। तो उसको हम एग्जांपल के तौर पे कह सकते हैं आपका एक फैन आउट है। आपने कोई भी इनपुट लिया, उससे आप कई सारी चीजों को ड्राइव कर सकते हो। तो इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉजिक गेट कि आप कितने नंबर ऑफ इनपुट को ड्राइव कर सकता है, कितने नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट दे सकता है। जो आउटपुट दे सकता है उसको हम फैन आउट बोलते हैं। मीन्स अगर आपने एक्सटेंशन लिया, उसी से टीवी, उसी से अपना फोन चार्ज कर रहे हो, उसी से पावर बैंक चार्ज करो, जितने भी सारे अप्लायंसेस आप चार्ज करोगे वो फैन आउट में आ जाएगा। फैन इन यही है कि मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इनपुट आप कितने अप्लाई कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट इज द नॉइज मार्जिन। नॉइज मार्जिन इज की मैक्सिमम voltage that can be added to the logic gate that will not affect your output। मतलब क्या क्या कि आपका कितना मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज आप अपने लॉजिक गेट में ऐड कर सकते हो जिससे कि आपका जो आउटपुट है वो अफेक्ट ना हो। दैट वैल्यू इज नोन एज द नॉइज मार्जिन। आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ voltage that you can add up to your logic gate so that it will not affect your output, that margin is known as the noise margin। Next is the wired logic। For the wired logic, as you know, in some places there is a not possibility of connection, so basically we connect like a wire, then that logic that is made with the wire is known as the wired logic। It is in the case of AND and OR logic, so this logic is wired logic। These are some important properties of important properties of the logic families। Hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you enjoyed this then please like and share with your friends। Thank you।